Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Nike promo code that can help you save money on Nike shoes, clothing, and accessories, completely free. If you're searching for Nike promo codes, Nike discount codes, or Nike coupon deals, make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any steps. How to get a Nike promo code. This process is quick and easy. First, grab your mobile phone or computer. It doesn't matter if you're using iPhone, Android, or a desktop device. Next, go to the website linked in the comment section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Nike. Click on the result, then scroll down to see the available Nike promo codes and discount offers. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your Nike promo code. Keep in mind that Nike promo codes are limited and updated frequently, so you'll need to unlock your personal Nike discount code to make sure it doesn't expire or get used by someone else. For direct access, check out the pinned comment below. I explain step by step exactly where to get your Nike promo code so you can start saving on your next Nike purchase.